haven't even driven this thing since I got back from the Grand Canyon. How terrible is that? What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I really appreciate you tuning in today. We're back in the 2006 Nissan 350z and we're headed to a car show today. One of my friends hosts Twisted Society car shows over here in Temecula. So today's show is actually being hosted over at the Dyno room, which is on Jefferson. Also on Jefferson is Sheepy Race and West Coast Exotics. So maybe we'll get to run in there and see what they've got going on today. I know Dustin Williams and tjhunt have been cruising down there lately, so they might even be there, which would be pretty cool to say hey. The Dyno room is basically, obviously how it sounds, they dyno cars there. So they're gonna be dynoing people's cars as you show up, which is pretty cool. Well, not like as you show up, but like you can put your name on a list and wait to go. They're not doing any tuning or anything. I think it's just for like base horsepower numbers. It's a Mustang dyno, so it does read about 10% lower than like a normal dyno would. So we'd have to remember that. But honestly, I think this thing is gonna hopefully make, you know, a healthy 270 horsepower at the wheels would be pretty nice. So the rev up motor is supposed to make about 300 at the crank, so I'm assuming about 270 at the, you know, at the wheels. I don't really know what 300 horsepower feels like, so you know, I have nothing to compare it to. So I've never driven a regular DE, I've just driven this rev up, so I don't know what the difference feels like stock, so it's gonna be interesting to see what the number is. But anyways, that's the plan. We're headed over there right now. I'm excited to see what cars there are and just what they're tuning. It's gonna sound so good, you guys. It's gonna sound so good. You know why this was a good weekend? Because both car shows I went to were like 10 minutes from my house. That's just awesome. Gotta be in that lane. I'm getting in that lane. Don't worry, I have my blinker on for all you crazy people out there watching. Oh, it's green. I got a downshift. Made it. God. All right, let's get it. 4 minutes out. See you there. Smell that. Smells like Sheepy Race and some red lights. One sec. Smells like sheeps. You know, the fast kind, which is rare. Can we pull through here? Oh man, there's a bunch of people back there. I don't know, let's go around. Yeah, you know, I don't like making a big ruckus. Ooh, give it a little scrapey scrape. Leave some paint on the ground, you know? West Coast Exotics. Maybe I have to run through there real quick. Do a little lap in there and see what they got. All right guys, we just got here. Parked in the lineup. We're gonna run over there and see what they've got. I'm excited. My dad's actually on his way here. He's gonna bring one of his cars. I don't know what he's bringing though, so it's gonna be a surprise. All right, let's head over there and see what they got. There it is. It's a pretty clean Z. Sounds like they're gonna get that Corvette up onto the dyno right now. That should sound pretty good, so we'll walk back over there and see what's going on. I just wanna see what's down here. Car shows like this are the best, and they play music so loud you just can't even hear yourself think. right, guys, so we made it happen. We're going to get the Z. We're gonna dyno it right now. There's a Miata going right now, and then it's us. I'm so excited. Alright guys, there you have it. 271 peak horsepower is what we made. That's about exactly what I thought I was gonna make, which is pretty awesome. That was so cool, all those guys in there. That was so fun. But the dude that did the dyno, he like smoked my clutch on the way out just now. It was smoking like crazy. Everyone was like, it smells so bad. He didn't know that in 350Z, 6th is down and back and not just like back. He thought, you know, so kind of confusing, but definitely smoked the clutch pretty bad. I can smell it. Hopefully it's not too bad. Anyways, I hope you guys liked that video. We finally figured out how much horsepower this thing is exactly making. 270 horsepower and 245 pound-feet of torque. I'm super impressed with those numbers. I'm happy with those numbers as well. Definitely room to grow, which is great. I want to get out and walk over there because this thing smells like clutch so bad. I can't even sit in it right now. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Go ahead and drop a thumbs up if you did. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions or you want to see anything in the future. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And turn on post notifications so you don't miss any more of my future videos. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.